This video will demonstrate the principle of mise en place in practice. Mise en place, the French term which roughly translates to put in place or everything in its place, is the philosophy that culinary specialists and the professional cook and chef community at large live by in order to work efficiently and run optimally in professional kitchens, dining facilities, Coast Guard galleys. This not only refers to how one prepares individual ingredients, but also how the trained cook calibrates their movements.
How can I help, Chef?
Here, CS2 will demonstrate what the untrained individual not practiced in the philosophy of mise en place might do when asked to perform a common mundane kitchen galley task like please stir this pot of soup and taste it.
Sure, absolutely.
Notice here the task is just immediately executed without consideration. One movement to take off the lid, but that's put in a manner where now collected water from steam is left on my range ledge, or piano as we call it. Another movement to grab a utensil to stir the soup, but that is placed soiled also on the piano. Another movement to grab a tasting spoon, and that is used and placed directly on the piano, creating a biological contaminant concern. Yet other movements to put the lid back on. Another movement taken to grab our utensils in two different steps, and I'm left with soiled surfaces, both sanitation concerns and just a mess. The individual here has effectively created more tasks instead of removing one, giving me 2 minutes of work to accomplish a task that should take seconds. Now watch CS2 here approach the same task, exemplifying principles of mise en place.
How can I help, Chef?
Can you please stir the soup and taste it?
Absolutely.
Habituation and thought here predicates action. Notice how CS2 grabs all the tools needed to get the job done in one motion, removes the lid in a manner where steam is contained within it and effectively becomes a work surface. The product is tasted, stirred before that, and everything is collected and removed and replaced. One step here, the job is done.
Thank you.